Human TCG. I wanted to post video on Christmas, but I was a bit lazy. So it's almost New Year, so before New Year starts, we'll open a new TCG I never opened before. It's Shironeko Project, set 7. I only bought one starter deck and I liked the cards, but I never opened box before. So we have 6 X cards, hyper rares, 9 super rares, 21 rare, 31 uncommon, 39 commons, and type uncommon and type common. I don't know what it is, but we got the sleeves with some edgy guy. Sorry, it's shaking, and let's just open and see what we'll get. Okay, so let's get the packs out. Okay, no box toppers. Okay, split them into nice piles, and let's start. Yeah, today my dog with me, so he will provide us some documentary barking. Okay, 1 second. Okay. Art is nice, so okay, let's restart the game. Come on, come on, come on, come on. A rare and type. As I understand, this is land, and uncommon is 2 uncommons. Okay. Sorry for the barking, but I don't know how to. I don't want him. Let him talk. Okay. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, cheerleader. Oh, we got something nice. A hyper rare. Shiny and 2 uncommons. So we don't always get the land. Okay, come on. Okay. So far, so good. Art is good. But looks like I need to buy at least minimum 2 boxes per set. But we'll see. It's hard to find this online. Come on, come on, come on. Oh, Christmas. Christmas troll. Whatever. Okay. Our rare is knight. We get also a land and 2 uncommon. So we get 1 rare and 1 uncommon. So, and if we get something better than uncommon, common rare, it will replace our rare slot. So 2 boxes next time. Okay, commons. So we get 4 commons. Let's count. 1 rare, Christmassy, and 3 cards. So 1 land. Oh, this is nice. And the shark. So 8 cards per pack. Yeah. Okay. Okay. The dog tries to get into the camera. Okay. Christmassy. How appropriate is that for Christmas? Common land. And 2 uncommons. Yeah. The problem with collecting many TCGs is trying to finish the sets, and that can get really expensive. Some cards cost so much, but yeah, and besides, I didn't find online. Oh, we got something shiny. So it's our super rare. Angel with a sword. Let's go to this pile. And 2 uncommon comments. Okay. My dog decided to eat, so you'll hear some chopping noises. Okay, it's ready for minutes, and we still need to open so many packs. Okay. Okay. Sleeping girl. We've seen this guy. Angel. Okay, a rare. And uncommon land. Okay, so yeah, so I got the gist of it. What we can expect per pack. So we will now mostly. Okay, you've seen this one. Oh, baseball. Oh, cute elf. Chocolate. Present. It's Christmas. Common land. Well, art is nice, so I will continue buying these sets in the future. I will need to buy previous sets I missed. It's six sets. Right now I'm just interested in where it goes for Super Rare. So Coyote. That's common and rare. So far no duplication rares, which is important and good sign of the game. It's nothing. It's worse when you buy a box and you can get same rares. Okay. Okay. Let's try commons in the first front. Just do. Okay, two shark we already seen. So common duplication is normal. And get something extra shiny, and it's a super rare. Christmas. And a bear. Eating salmon. Okay. Almost done. Okay, right now is the first pack. Again, salmon. Okay. Girl looking into the mirror. So the suit looks weird to me. Okay, super rare. And yeah, it did. Okay, let's put those lands. Now I know what I'm getting. Yeah. Well, I like the art, but I think I will maybe first catch up with Wish Across sets because I'm missing a lot. But yeah, I already ordered cards for this month. Oh, where's the rare? Ah, this is a rare Christmas tree. Oh, yeah. So this set is so appropriate. Oh, we forgot the Christmas tree ourselves. Let's make it more streamy. One moment. Now we have a Christmas tree in the video, not including card art. So, yeah. So usually I buy cards on UUT. They don't have Shironeko Project. Ooh, something shiny. So, yeah. But I found other Japanese sites, but haven't tried ordering them. Wow, this is so cool. Okay, now let's look at this one guy. This is hyper rare. So we get 2 per box. Dude, and yeah, it looks sick. So large golden text. Nice. So we got 2 golden hyper rares. Let's quickly check. So there are 6. So we already got 2 super rares. We got 3. So I think we got all our super rares. So yeah, we are hoping to get X rare. We haven't gotten one. Maybe it's per. I hope there is 1 per box. Then it'd be great. Okay. So what do you think, guys, of Shironeko Project? I like the art. Because I don't know how the game played and don't really care. Okay. And we're on the finish line. Almost finished with my packs. Next video will be either Wish Across or Zero November X, depending what arrives first. Ooh, nice. A ram. A gorilla. Gorilla. Okay, 5 packs left. So, and if you know where to buy Shironeko singles, leave a comment. I will check it out. Oh, this is okay. This is rare. Didn't we have this one? I'm not sure. Oh, Christmas, nice. Well, I don't think there are more appropriate set I could get for Christmas opening, New Year / New Year. Okay, yeah. Okay, this is okay. So there was no rare duplicate. Oh, this is super rare. When I'm confused. So we get at least 4 super rares. Okay. So yeah, and yeah, well, we can get old rares because they're 21, and we get 20 packs, and if we get something better, it replaces our rare. Christmassy, and yeah. Okay, 3 packs. And how many super rares we have? We have them 9. So we almost have 9 of them, half of them. Okay. And okay, Christmas. Okay. Oh, I forgot. I need to try to open pack to preserve it. Oh, very easy to open and preserve this way. So, oh yeah, Shironeko is a mobile game, but I don't play the roof. Okay, and we got another super rare. Wow, they're really not stinging super rares. My art is good. Okay, so we got 5 super rares, 2 hyper rares, and will we get an X-ray in the last pack or not? Okay, and let's find out. Nope, no X-ray. Just the guys. So X-ray is not guaranteed, which is sad, and I'm afraid they will be super expensive. Okay, so that's all. Let's just review super rares we got. I will think of buying another box of this. Oh, rares. What are we doing here? You know, the super rare. So we get 4 super rares: girl in kimono, angel, another angel, and a girl giving a Christmas present. And 2 super rares we got. Is it a girl or boy? I cannot tell. I will go with the girl. This guy is an aged dude. Oop. Ah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I didn't show the backs. It's really nice and pretty. Okay guys, thanks for watching. See you soon, hopefully. Hopefully mail won't get delayed because of the New Year's holiday. So, bye.